A new day begins inside the world's most advanced chicken mega factory.
This is Transport 1, confirming load secure and climate controls nominal. Requesting clearance to exit the bay.
Temperature is good, 20 Celsius.
All right, let's start unloading the trolleys now. Watch the ramp right here.
Steady, we're clear.
Perfect, take it to zone 2.
Scanning batch 5B. All traceability data synced.
Verification complete. The shipment is accepted into inventory.
Everything is well within optimal parameters.
Excellent. We are cleared for the next transfer schedule. With every batch correctly organized, the hatchery scheduling system begins calculating the exact time each tray will leave storage for temperature conditioning.
Trays. As the trays move steadily along the precision conveyor, servo-controlled pneumatic diverter arms gently lift and redirect.
The setter incubators initiate another precise-timed automatic turning cycle as synchronized rack assemblies.
The environmental management system automatically shifts to the final hatching profile. High-capacity steam humidifiers Healthy, vaccinated broiler chicks are automatically counted, packed into ventilated transport crates, and prepared for climate-controlled delivery. All secure on the manifest. Confirmed. Ready for departure.
All right, keep coming straight and stop right there.
Confirmed. Everything looks good on this end.
This is the final pallet, Flock 7B.
All right, let's get them inside quickly.
With the brooding climate stabilized, the chicks begin instinctively searching for their first feed and fresh drinking water. Throughout the modern broiler house, a network of intelligent environmental sensors continuously monitors every critical
The ventilation system delivers fresh air throughout the poultry house, maintaining a healthy growing environment for the flock.
Activity levels look good in this section.
Confirmed. Water consumption is steady as well.
The automated feed distribution network completes a fresh replenishment cycle, delivering nutrient-rich grower feed evenly across the poultry house. Broilers progress into the mid-growth production stage. The broiler flock enters the mid-growth production phase, with birds now significantly larger than during the brooding period. The farm's integrated water management system continuously monitors the quality of drinking water. Digital instruments measure key parameters in real time. The commercial broiler flock enters the final finishing stage of production, displaying fully developed white plumage, broad breast muscles, and substantial body mass. Data synchronization complete. Welfare verification passed.
Excellent. Approved for harvest.
Harvest schedule shows flock ID 7B for pickup. Biosecurity is cleared on the system.
Roger that. We'll begin loading the modules immediately.
Flock 85, sequence B-4. We are at 12 of 20 modules loaded.
The flock identification and route are confirmed. Everything looks good on the manifest. Yes, ma'am. Temperature and airflow are optimal for transport.
We've got a slight fluctuation on line 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now. All systems are nominal.
Overhead conveyors guide the products into the chilling system, where precisely monitored cooling equipment operates continuously under computerized control. As shoppers begin selecting products from the refrigerated display, the manufacturing story reaches its final destination, the consumer. If you love seeing how the world's biggest factories really work, subscribe to Forge Motion Labs and join us for the next incredible manufacturing